It's going to be a reading for sign of Pisces from now until the end of the month. So what you guys can possibly expect. So let's take one card for what's currently happening, the past and the coming few days. So let's see. Right now with Queen of Wands, you guys could be attracting a lot of attention this coming month. Okay, with Judgment card, you have gone through some lessons. I won't say karmic lessons, but yes, the past few months have been a little difficult for you. But slowly but surely, I do see things moving forward in your life. I do see you getting attention in terms of people wanting to talk to you, be around you, go out on dates with you. Okay, I also feel on a personal level that you will feel energetic. You will feel that vibe again. If you felt like your life was basically going nowhere and you were basically in that dry phase of life, drought phase, I would say, then you're going to feel that passion back in life, like wanting to go out, wanting to feel better for yourself, wanting to look better. And, like if you were a little laid back, then I see you being more someone who's willing to achieve more in life now. Okay, so yes, with Knight of Cups, I also feel there is a new person coming in your life. This could be a possible fire sign or a water sign. Okay, I do feel Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, and your own fucking sign Pisces is strong. Besides that, I would also quote Taurus. Okay, yeah, for selected few of you, it could be a Libra. Okay, so we see 8 signs, out of which I see 6 signs very strongly. Okay, leaving the Pisces away with 10 of Pentacles, 5 of Wands, and 3 of Wands. So the past 5 weeks for you have been difficult in terms of finances. If you were married, you had constant problem with your married life. Okay, if you are not married but in a committed relationship, I still see you having to deal with a lot of criticism, a lot of dramas that were involved around your family life. With 3 of Wands, you are looking forward in a new direction now. Okay, so something I see very strongly is Pisces is looking in a new direction. You guys are not focused on what you had in the past. Okay, so one card, what's the current energy like for Pisces? What's the current energy for Pisces? With Ace of Swords, there is going to be clarity coming in your life. Okay, this could also be communication for some of you. If you are waiting for someone's communication, then I do see some changes coming your way, big changes. Ace of Swords, and bottom card is the Tower card. Okay, top card we see is 10 of Wands. So some of you might finally see a way or a week of getting out of a toxic, painful connection. Okay, you guys will finally let go of something. Okay, and want to be part of something new in your life. With Death card, you guys are finally going to put end to something that you were holding on for way too long. Okay, unnecessarily long time. Okay, so what else do we see coming up for Pisces? What else do we see coming up for Pisces? With Seven of Wands, I still see you fighting for what you believe in, what you want in life, and where you want to get in life. I don't see you holding back and quitting. No, I see you fighting for your own self. Okay, with King of Wands, you will take action. If you've been the one who's always taken BS from others because you didn't want to get into any arguments or drama, I don't see you in that phase. I see you fighting for what you believe in and fighting for what you want in life. Okay. Bottom card we see is 4 of Wands. This could be regarding your relationship. Okay. So one card for how is your soulmate coming forward towards you now? How is the Pisces soulmate coming forward towards Pisces now? You're not going to take any BS from anyone whatsoever for the next 2 weeks. Okay. No matter who the person is, your parent or your lover or your kid, doesn't matter. Okay, or could be your employee or colleague at work. So how is your soulmate truly coming forward towards Pisces now? This person has been holding back for a while, I believe. Yeah, this person is still clueless. Okay, they do not know what they want. This person is still wanting to make a decision. So this could possibly be a air sign for some of you, possibly a Libra very strongly. With Five of Pentacles, this person is ghosting you. I don't think this person is giving you any sort of attention. Neither they do have a plan as to what they want with you. The person you are thinking of, or the person who you consider your soulmate, does not have a plan with what they want with you or how they want with you. They are still, you could see them walking on that wire there. Okay, like do not know of their own life. How could someone who's not sure about their own life and where they're going in their life, possibly fix yours? They have to deal with their own life, and I believe they do not have a plan. I'm getting Two of Pentacles, so still juggling. Okay, so what are they juggling you with? Is there someone else in the picture? Okay, with Princess of Pentacles, this person could be possibly not having the time for you and their work life. Okay, Princess of Pentacles is usually Page of Pentacles, so this person has not been very financially well off. They have just started their financial life or their career or wherever they work or whatever they do for their earning, and they are still making their mark in life in terms of their career. Okay, so they are still dealing with what they need to focus more on, and I believe they haven't been focused on both, because both are somewhat down. Page of Pentacles is not a good card in terms of finances, and neither is Two of fucking Swords. Okay, so how are they thinking of you now? One card for how are they possibly thinking of you now, Pisces. With Two of Cups, they do look at you as a soulmate, or they view you as a soulmate, as someone who they connect with. But the problem is they haven't taken action towards you. This has been stagnant for a lot of time. Okay, and I see this person being very focused on their finances and keeping you on hold. Okay, so that has been the main factor as to why this connection never went forward. Okay, but they do see you as their soulmate. Okay, give me one card for their current feelings towards you. What are their current feelings towards you, please? As of now, I do not see a third party, to be very honest. Okay, in terms of feelings, this person, I'd be honest with you, has been someone who's not really expressed much. They have rather been in denial, or they have never really made you feel like they have feelings for you. They have always been fighting with you over petty issues, creating unnecessary drama, all about winning the battles in terms of however or whatever they say. They always want to win. Okay, they never like to lose. Five of Swords is a card of someone who's a little childish. Okay, and with Seven of Pentacles, it has been stagnant, and they have been waiting for this connection to move forward. Sexually, yes, I do feel like you guys do have a bonding, but emotionally, I don't. Okay, I don't think that this person has even opened up to you. They have been all about themselves. They have been all about their pride, how they come off as a person, as their image altogether, and they have been all about winning battles, no matter how petty the fight could be. Okay, so yeah, like what do they truly have for you? One card for what do they truly have for you in terms of feelings? What do they truly have for you, Pisces? With Justice card, I do think that this person has feelings, but I won't say like they are madly, crazily in love with you. I won't say that, but they have been more balanced about the whole situation. Like they are not really wanting to get into it very deeply. I see it being more sexual than emotional. Okay, I'll be very honest with you. I believe that they see that they are very obsessed with you, that they cannot let go of you, but they're not really wanting to make you feel all that, and they have never really made you feel all that. They've been flirting with you and all that shit, but emotionally, I don't think that they have ever expressed much. Okay, with Eight of Swords, they are very much all caught up in their own mind. Okay, this person thinks a lot. This person is a overthinker. Okay, and they have caused problems by themselves by overthinking the whole scenario, thinking that they are not in a position to give you commitment or have a relationship or possibly come forward. for some of you, this person could be that someone who is always like thinking weird scenarios, and they are always in that pity mood of how sad their life is, and how they cannot really come out of it, and how they cannot really be happy about it. And okay, so that's something I see. Okay, so what have they been hiding from you? One card for what have they been hiding from you? With Queen of Pentacles, okay, King of Wands, okay, and Two of Pentacles. Okay. Even though I said that there was no strong third party, but that does not mean that they do not have options. They do have options. Okay, this is someone who gets a lot of attention. Okay, for selected few of you, this person could be younger. Okay, and for selected few of you, like I would say 20% of you, this person is already married. For few, okay, because I have to do this reading for all age groups, so I can't be pinpoint accurate, so you need to understand that and take what resonates. Okay, so what they've been hiding from you, for those who know that your person is single, they've been way too focused on their finances, and they've also been flirting with like other people. I won't say that they are in a third party, however, but yes, they are open to flirting. Okay, and the reason why it could never get to a point was because your person was still busy getting attention. Okay, for all those who know that your person has someone else, has been giving into both situations, and both kind of got nowhere. Okay, so and for selected few of you, your person is married, and they cannot offer you commitment or relationship. It can only be sexual. They can only offer you sexually. Okay, so one card for what's their intentions towards you now. Pisces, so much intentions towards Pisces moving forward. Right now, I would say that they are not really wanting to give into the situation. Okay, give me a second. Drop few cards here. Right now, I don't really see them wanting to give into the situation, and they're being a little harsh towards you, manipulative towards you. And if you ask them certain questions, they are going to possibly give a very rude reply to it. Okay, something I see for now. As of now, they are not really wanting to give you anything. They are just wanting to ghost you and stay away. So what's the plan? So what action are they willing to take towards you in the coming weeks? What action are they willing to take towards you in the coming week? One card for that, please. Four of Cups. I do not see them making a strong move towards you. They will take a lot of time. Okay, I see them coming later this month, but not at least for the next 4-5 days. Do not expect much. They are going to take their own sweet time. Okay. I do feel like right now this person is focused on their finances, and this person is also someone who gets a lot of attention. So it won't kill them if you are not around. Okay, try to understand what I'm trying to say. This person is someone who gets a lot of attention, and someone who's a lot prideful, and someone who likes feeding their ego by getting attention from others, is not exactly in a position for relationships. Okay, they won't understand being a part of one much till the time they possibly grow up. Okay, so right now the energy for you is Temperance and Seven of Pentacles. Right now you need to just hold back. Okay, if you want this relationship, you should hold back and just be patient and just focus on yourself. Giving into them and moving forward towards them is only going to bring in more hurt and drama. Okay, so one card for what you can expect from them for the next 10 days. What you could possibly expect from them for the next 10 days. Okay, for some of you, I do feel like this connection is not over yet. Okay, I still see this person creating more drama in your life, but eventually you guys are going to hold back but not give up on each other. I don't see you guys giving up on each other. I still see the drama going on. Okay, with Princess of Swords, that is Page of Swords, you might both be stalking each other, but I do not see a strong outcome coming from this connection, at least not for the next 10 days. Okay, do we see communication, Spirit, for the next 10 days? Do we see communication? With King of Cups, they will be sweet towards you, but I do not see a lot of communication. Okay, you will hear from them. It's not like it's going to be completely silent, but I do not see a lot of communication. Okay, I'll be honest with you. With Six of Cups, you both are upset over each other. I do not know what exactly. Yes, you both are in each other's thoughts. You guys are definitely on their mind, but they are kind of a little upset with you. They're thinking of you in a little negative manner. Okay, not so good memories. Okay, and they need to make a decision, darling. Your person is, I won't say that they are in a third party, but yes, they do have a lot of options, and they do have things going on for them, as in they get a lot of attention. Okay, so one kind of advice for Pisces moving forward. Nine of Pentacles, focus on yourself. If you focus on them, you're only going to get more disappointed. Your person needs to grow up. Okay, with Ten of Pentacles, if you have a family, stay focused on your family. If you do not have a family, just stay focused on your finances. This is the time for you to focus on your finances, because I do see you getting a lot of success financially. Emotionally, not so good month. I'll be very honest with you. Yes, you'll get attention, but not the attention you'd want from someone. Right now is the time for you to stay focused on yourself. Okay, so let's take messages from your person now. Messages from your person, what they would want to say to you that they haven't said so far. Okay, the message right now, sexual thoughts. So this person is thinking about you sexually. Okay, my responsibilities don't let me be a part of you. Just like I told you, their work life is also getting in the way. Okay, I am ashamed of my past actions. So this person does think of you. Okay, they are ashamed of their past action, but they are not exactly coming forward. And right now their main concern, I would say, is I really don't have much to offer. So I do feel like for many of you, financially, this person is not in a position. If they are financially well off, I don't think that their responsibilities are letting them be a part of it. They could either be married or having kids, or like responsibilities that are not really letting them be a part of you. Okay, so far this has been your reading. Emotionally, I do not see a very good month ahead. Financially, yes, you will have a lot of opportunities to make more money this month. Take advantage of that shit. Okay, and yes, this has been your reading so far. If it connected, resonated, please do consider the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and thank you so much for coming in. See you soon, guys. Cheers.